Hello guys, my name is Ernesto Salguero. I belong to the career of licenciatura en lenguas extranjeras con énfasis en inglés, and this is my mini class for the Introduction to Linguistics tax number 4. Okay, so first we are going to talk about the silent E. The silent E is a letter that is present in a written form, but when it comes to the pronunciation of the letter, it is inexistent. This means that the letter has only a grapheme but not a sound in the word. The function of this letter could be as a connector to give coherence to the rest of the word and to create a particular pronunciation of the word. Even knowing that it's silent, it happens generally at the end of the words all the time. Okay, so we have here the title, the silent E. Some examples we have here, we have rose. Say, you see, you don't pronounce the E. You have late. Okay, here. We have line. Okay. We have shave. We have time, for example. Okay. This is an example of a silent vowel. Okay. The next one is another silent letter, is the silent P. The silent P is that, okay, the thing with the silent P, with the letter P, is that it's different from the letter E. It has a silent position at the beginning of the word, that it helps to give emphasis to the next letters that follow it, that following in the word. Generally, the letters that follow the letter P are going to be the letter S. Like in this example, we had the example of the silent P. We had, for example, psychology. Okay. Another example, psychiatrists. Here, sorry, I have my notes here. Psychiatrists. Okay. So almost all the time in this case is going to be an S. Okay. And we have another different example. For example, we have pneumonia. So it's not always going to be an S. In this case, it's going to be an N. All right. The next one will be the use of the phoneme O. Let me write it down. Give me a minute. The phoneme O. Okay. This sound is the result of the stretching of the letter O and connecting it to the following letter, or in its defect, just finishing in its normal vowel form. Some examples in this case, let me remember these, are home, okay, and go, okay. In home, it stretches until the letter M, and the E seems to be silent, and the word go, it doesn't have a following letter, so it just finishes like its vowel typical form. Okay. The next one will be the use of this symbol. It's like an A combined with an O. Okay, looks like a B in this case. Okay, so in this case it seems like the combination between the letters O in its written form and the letter A in the sound of this one. In this case, the words that include this type of phoneme have the letter O written, but the sound is like an A. Okay, so we have rock and we have hot, for example. Okay, so we are running out of time. And now, finally, we are going to talk about the letter U, okay? The use of U, or maybe it's not exactly the letter, but it's the sound U. So, we have, in this case, the sound is found its meaning through the intonation of the vowel U. This means that no matter what letter is written, some examples are foot and blue, okay? You see, foot, O, but sounds like U. Blue, the E, but sounds like U. And that's it. Thank you very much.